Hello, this is Kathleen from My Happy Place, and I'm going to show you how to make this tote that will hold 4 of Stampin' Up's mini milk cartons. And it's really pretty easy. What you're going to do is you're going to start out by cutting 2 pieces of chocolate chip cardstock 6.5 by 4 3/4. And I will also have these measurements posted on my website at myhappyplace.typepad.com, so you can hop on over there and get those measurements. So 2 pieces, 6.5 by 4 3/4, and then 1 piece 4 3/4 by 3 1/4. So it's just 3 pieces of cardstock. So then once you have 2 pieces of your 6.5 by 4 3/4, you're going to take your paper cutter and your bone folder, and you're going to score each edge at 1.5 inches all the way around. So we'll go this, turn it 1/4, 1.5, turn it 1/4 turn, 1.5, turn it one more time and score at 1.5. So all the way around. And this just makes your basic simple box shape. And what you're going to do, I find it easiest if I fold on my score lines. And then I'll take my scissors and cut my 4 outside corner flaps up to the score line going across. So just cut right along that score line to form these 4 corner flaps, like that. Then I'm going to turn it this way, and I'm going to put sticky strip along each flap, and I'm going to put it along right next to this score line here, and also along the edge here. Okay, I'm going to do that on all 4 flaps, and rather than you see me struggle through that, I've already got one done here. So you're just going to then turn and attach your corner strap and fold in to form your box. So just take off the liner, the sticky strip, fold that in and attach. Peel off the liner on the sticky strip, fold in the 3rd side, and then you just have one more side to go, and that forms your basic box. Okay, we had 2 pieces like this, so we made 2 boxes. I already have that done for you here. Then really the only piece left is your handle, which is in the middle. And this is your smaller piece, your 4 3/4 by 3 1/4 piece. So I'm simply going to take a corner rounder, tip it upside down, and you're just going to round off the edge on the top 2 corners. Then I'll take my wide oval punch. I'll place it all the way in, but then I'm going to pull it back because I don't want it down that far. Pull it back a little bit. Try to line it up so that it's even on each side, and just punch. So there's your handle. Next, I'm going to take sticky strip once again. It's always my tape of choice when I'm doing any kind of 3-dimensional boxes because it's double strength extra sticky tape. Alright, and we just want to kind of see how far up we should go with this piece of tape. So you're going to do it on one side of your handle, but also the other side, because you're going to want to sandwich this in between your 2 boxes. So your one piece and then one up close to the top of your box. So we'll just use the one on the other side as a guideline. Alright, smooth that tape out, then it'll be easier to peel off that red liner tape. And I'm going to go ahead and do it on both sides. Try not to get your hands on the exposed tape too much because it can lose its stickiness. Then I'm going to center it. It doesn't go all the way from edge to edge, and that's on purpose. Center it on one box, place the other box together, and there is your basic tote. Then I simply decorated it, wrapped some designer paper around it, I actually wrapped the designer paper around the boxes before I attached them together. I made a cute little embellishment on each side with the Love Bandit stamp set and my 1 3/4 circle punch. I did two-way glue pen around the border of the circle and then add a Dazzling Diamonds glitter because it always adds a nice little touch. And that is really as simple as it is. And that'll hold 4 of the Stampin' Up! Mini milk cartons from the Occasions Mini catalog. So all of these materials are from Stampin' Up! You can order any of them by going to my website, myhappyplace.typepad.com, and just clicking on the online ordering website, or contact your local demonstrator. Thank you.